Hello my beautiful people, una welcome back to my channel. How una dey? No be small thing o. This morning, no be small story o. This morning I will be just call me, tell me say we get 10 visitors that they come our house to come visit us. And that same day they come in the evening around 5. Now I come look around and say, God, what did I go do? Because when visitors they come your house like this now, you need to cook, you need to serve them well, you need to take care of them. I come look around and say, what did I go do? This one a weekend now. Waiting, I know, and I suppose go market, go buy things. I never go. Now these people they come around 5, and because if they come, I no go fit go market again. And so what I go do now to take entertain this our special visitors where they come. Now I say okay, make I go check my store, see waiting and waiting day. My people, now I go enter inside my store. I can't say I get rice, I get coconut milk what I been buy before. You know, it still remain 2 things. I can't open fridge. I see say the chicken where I been fried before, it still remain. I can't see say I get some vegetables, paprika and some onions. Now I can't say okay. Now all these things they waiting I fit make out of this coconut milk, this rice and these vegetables where they waiting I fit make out of it. We say this our visitors go enjoy themselves well. Bam! Now this method, this idea enter my head to do coconut rice. But now swap into action. I start to cook the rice. So I start to cook and with the ingredients we remain where I get for house. And you know it, this rice come sweet well. You know sometimes when you know plan meal, now that kind of meal they sweet that time. That's why I just can't put them or can't cook them. I can't give my visitors as they eat. Wow. Then can't like the food. They tell me say it's sweet. Say wait till I take cook them. Say they enjoy the food well. Now say thank God though. This one be say now rush. I not to get plenty ingredients for house. I just use the small one way day. And luckily the food comes sweet. I say, oh, thank God though. Thank God say they like the food though. So my people, that's so it take happen though. Hey, if not you dey in that kind of situation, what you go do? How you go take handle that kind of situation? Now, wow, I thank God say I escape am also. I beg you, don't remember to like this video, comment and share. See you again in my next one. Bye bye.